Hello, my name is Pradeep Mangave. I have recently completed 15 days LMS OGT program from Evision TechnoServer, and it has been truly valuable learning experience. The course was very well structured and covered all important topics such as networking, window administration, Linux cybersecurity, and many more. Each module has explained in a simple word and a practical way, which is made easy to understand even the beginner like me. The recorded sessions were especially helpful as I could watch them on my own space and my own time and revise them whenever it is required. The trainers were very acknowledged and explained very topics using real time example, which helped me to understand how things work actually in industry scenario. The program maintained a perfect balance and theory and practical exposure when really boosted my confidence. I recently joined Infosys, and this training played a very important role for strengthening my technical and foundation knowledge and to tackle the real world challenges. I would like to sincerely thank Evision TechnoServer and the trainers and the entire technical team for their continuous support and guidance. Once again, thank you for the wonderful learning opportunity. Thank you.